Welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And this is my little kitchen. And my puppies, they're somewhere around. Ginger, Teddy. They're somewhere around, running around. But anyways, guys, thanks for showing up and being here with us. I want to make a banana supreme cake. A banana supreme cake. That's what it says in the box from Duncan Hines. It was $1.18. And it consists of the bag with the flour and everything in it here. So it's kind of like more or less like one of those ready to go. But a lot of people don't know how to bake these cakes. And the ones that a lot of people also, they bake them and then it's a disaster. The cake doesn't come out good. They keep on opening the oven. It's very important that you guys do not open the oven while it's in baking, okay?
That's right.
So this is what we're gonna do. So we put all the flour and the stuff in my glass bowl. It consists, you gotta put 3 eggs, 1 cup of water.
Oh yeah.
And 1/3 cup of vegetable oil.
That's right.
And also consists of a baking dish. You can have any size you want. I decided to get this big one. This is like a 13-inch one, but I like it. And I put butter in it, and the butter you put it in the bottom.
That's right.
So it doesn't get stuck, you know? So it doesn't, the cake doesn't get stuck, and it's easier for you to take it out. And at the same time, it's gonna give it like a nice and brown.
Smell it?
Yeah, you can smell it already, but it gives it like a brown thing to it. Tanner, you know, like more golden look to the cake. And also, you got to put your oven on 350, which I already did, guys. And your cake, you're going to be putting your cake in the middle of the oven, because you put it exactly in the middle of the oven what you're baking.
Mix it mix it
Let me finish, Michael. When you put it in the middle of the oven, it's going to cook all the parts of the cake at the same time, at the same temperature. Do you understand what I'm saying? Like if you put something in the oven on the side, it's not going to cook. You wanted to put it in the middle. So all the heat comes in simultaneously. Is that I said that word right?
Yes.
Simultaneous. How do you say it?
Simultaneously.
Oh, simultaneously. I'm trying to say it, people. But it's hard. So anyway, here you go. Here's our cake here, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And I think one of the babies is here. There's Ginger. Ginger, why are you sniffing off that ground, huh? And my dogs, anything that falls down there, guys, let me tell you. So anyway, this is my cake. And it's Friday. It's Friday. That's right. It's Friday. And it is, I'm going to tell you, 12:40 p.m. on Friday, May, what? Today is, what is today's day, Michael?
18th. 17th.
18th? Oh, today's
Something
the
like that.
Yeah, the 17th and the 18th of May 2019, guys. So anyway, I'm baking this cake here in a little bit more strokes like that. This is good. You know, a lot of people say, I'm going to get tired. You have to look at it like this. While you're doing this, you're working out your arm. See? Because you're working. So that flap thing that people have seen on mine is starting to, you know, get hard there. But it is, guys, if you look at it from my point of view. So now this is ready to go. So what we're going to do, we're going to pour it all in here. Here you go. And make sure with my thing here, try to get as much as I can out. Right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like this. See? Yeah, I think that's enough. Let me put this here and wipe my hands. And we're going to put that together in the oven. And then you're going to come back. And it said here is from 27 minutes, right, Mike? Something like that?
22 to 27 minutes,
Okay,
but we're going to put 30.
Yeah, I'm gonna put 30, and then I'm just gonna 30 because I like a little bit more of a golden look in my cake, like nice and brown. So we'll see you guys in 30 minutes exactly. So I'm gonna put this cake right in the middle rack like that.
Oh yeah.
I mean in the middle of the oven on the rack, and that's it. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'll see you guys in half hour. Don't forget to subscribe and to follow us everywhere you think. And if you want to donate, guys, just go ahead and to the link down below to Patreon, and you can donate from $1 to $100. Okay, so love you all, and drink and drive, and I'll see you in 30 minutes. Be right back. So we're back. I think it's done. We're doing the whole 30 minutes, right, Mike? And I'm gonna just take a toothpick. Okay, move. Wow, that's beautiful. I think. Oh crap! Is it gonna no? Yep, I mean it's done. It might drop a little bit there in the middle, but it's okay. Is our banana cake. gonna take it out. We're gonna pull it off. And then after we pull it off, we'll come. I'm gonna take a piece out. I'm definitely gonna eat a piece. I don't know about Michael.
Oh yeah.
But it looks beautiful to me. So you guys know what to do. Just go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, ring the notification bell so you can be notified of these like random videos that I like to make. Or with that, look at the cake again, Michael. Is it supposed to be like a hole in the middle like that? I think so, maybe. Right? Yeah, that's how it is. So when you take it out, take it by pieces. Very, very pretty though. So anyway, guys, go subscribe and follow us and do your thing. And we'll be back in like what, Michael? Like 10, 15 minutes. We're going to let it cool off and then I'm going to take a big piece and I'll eat it with you guys while I tell you guys all the places that we are and all the places that you can see us and all that, okay? Thanks for watching. Okay, so we're back. The cake is cool. It's been like 10, 15 minutes. It's a little bit warm, but I know it's kind of like cold. So this is how it came out. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to take little piece like that, right? So I got to, don't know we got to like taste this, Michael, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see, Michael says, yes, Mama. I'm just going like this, guy, to make sure that when I take it out, the whole piece that I cut there is going, I'm going to try here. There you go, pretty much.
Oh, look at that.
Right? This is really nice. There's a little bit here. Sorry, guys. So anyway, you see, it just broke like that, but you see, like I told you, still warm. Can you see the little bit of a smoke, Michael, coming out?
Oh yeah.
You can see it. Michael, it's so good. You know what I think we have to do? We have to make, and we're not putting any of that stuff on the top because it's not good to put any of that stuff like that in the back. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to eat it like that. We all like it like that, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
So this is Friday weekend cake. Wow, that's soft. And really moist, Michael. What are we doing? Are we taking pictures?
Yes.
Oh, guys, you can make one of these cakes for your loved ones. Like you can make it for you and your husband. And if you have 3 kids, hey, 5 people can eat of this cake. 8 people can eat of this cake. 4 people can eat like 2 big pieces each, okay? Plus whatever other things that we always have at the house. Does not imply cake and cookies, but we have like other snacks, right? I'm telling you, I've been enjoying this for the last month or so, couple of months, that I discovered that I don't get in pain anymore when I eat this. And the doctor told me, it might take a while, but when it does, you'll be able to eat all the delicious things that you wanted again. And I think it came true, man. Are you gonna want to eat my cake, Mike? Well, I love me a nice, moist piece of cake. And I'm gonna tell you what, the thing that you can, for $1.89, bake a delicious cake, you can see that it's cooked all the way through. All of it. Like this, nice and moist. That came down like that, I baked like that, I don't know why. But I guess, whatever, right? The thing is that the cake came out really good, moist. It has enough egg. The eggs make it nice enough. So anyway, I'm gonna tell you what.
Hey, Lo.
Of course. I want my followers to see how delicious these cakes are. And this is the Banana Supreme. The delicious flop. You can put the frost on the top and in the middle and get your frost. They're usually 99 cents. If you get the store brand, sometimes the Dunkin' Heights, they put them on sale. Like 4 things of frosting for $5. So it comes out like $1.25 each. But if you just want to make a cake, you know, you can have your cake just like this. You don't have to put any frosting or anything like that to put a whole bunch of calories that you really don't need. Just eat your cake, then you go for your walk later on, and you'll be fine. You can eat whatever you want. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Google+.
Google Plus is gone.
Sorry, Google Plus is gone. Pinterest, and Patreon if you want to donate from $1, $2, $3, $5, $100. Hey, whatever you want. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go. It's Friday. Don't drink and drive. Let's love each other. And when you get home, make yourself a delicious Banana Supreme cake. Just like I did. And guess what, guys? Check it out. I ate it all. So with that, love you all. Have a nice weekend. Thanks for watching.